Hi everyone, welcome to DIY Ideas. Today I'm showing you how to do a lovely scarf in these awesome stripes. So this is the project for today. This time I did something a little bit special, so it has a spot where you can cross the scarf. So let's get to it. Okay, so let's get started. Here is my 6mm needle and here is our matching wool for today. So if you want this exact color, it's the green tea color. The number is on here as well. So this particular wool is only for hand washing and it's 80% acrylic and 20% wool. So let's start with a loop. This doesn't count as a chain, so now we start and we do 153 chains. Okay, so this is what we have now. So you see how long this is? And we will now do them in half trebles. So let's take the yarn over the needle and then the first chain we're gonna skip for now. So skip the first one and into the second we go through. So that way we get 3 loops on the needle. We pull through all 3 and then we continue. And you're gonna keep doing this until you get to the ending, and then we're gonna check for any twists and knots. Since we don't want them, we're gonna get a really nice and even result without them. So anyway, before you continue, just take a look and make sure it's really nice and neat on there. So no twists or no knots. Okay, now we should have 153 trebles. So now we will do 2 chains for the height and turn. And then the whole new row in trebles, so we start the same way as for a half treble. And then 3 loops, we do 2 by 2 like this. So once again, and that's it. And then repeat. And I'll meet you at the end. Okay, last stitch, do 2 chains for the height and turn. Fourth row is again trebles. And then I'll meet you at the end of this row. So now we do 1 chain and we turn. And now we do 2 half trebles in this row. And through all 3. And now that we did this, we can again do 2 rows and trebles. So 2 chains for the height, we turn, and then we do treble crochets. So I'll see you when I do that. Okay, so here I am with our 2 rows of trebles later. So you see the lovely stripes that we have here that are already forming. And the next row we are doing in half trebles, so 1 chain for the height, and then do a row of half trebles. Okay, so we are now doing row 9, so again a chain for the height and turn. And the following 22 stitches we do in half trebles. I'll be right back. And we can now do the 16 chains. And now that we did this, we need to align this, and the best way is to count the bottom chains. Okay, so now let's connect with a slip stitch. And the rest will get half trebles just like what we had before the chains. And now we can do 2 rows again in trebles. And this section looks like this now, so we have 16 chains that build kind of a hole. That's for the other end of our scarf. But we are now done. And we need 2 chains for the height, we'll turn, and then we can do 2 rows in trebles.